What's up everybody? I went down and I got some petroleum. Gonna stick that in the Civic and then pump up the wheels and bring it home and wash the goddamn thing. Clunk, clunk. Oh Jesus, why do these things take so long? All done. Pump up these tyres. So all the wheels are pumping up. I'm not going to record driving the car, it's too dangerous. I don't have a mount for this camera, so I might try and set it up on the tripod and I'm just going to drive it home and wash it. So maybe you'll just see it in the garden when I'm washing it. I'm just going to move the Mini, the Seicento, and then give the Civic a good wash, as it hasn't been washed in years and it does really need it. So yeah, it's back in the garden. I'm gonna head over, get my power washer, wash the car off. I'm gonna throw all of this stuff that's around the side out the back and have this room cleared. I'm gonna move the Mini up, the Seicento up, and then the Civic up. Gonna get it done now. And as my brother would say, Shazam! It's done. Now, Mini is gonna come up here closer, and then the feet up closer, and then I'm gonna move the Civic over, give loads of room, but I am gonna go over and get the power washer now. And it's power washing time. Now, Civic is all clean, immaculate. The last thing to do is jump inside and stick in a fresh air freshener. So that's it guys, the Civic is done. I have the windscreen booked for 2 weeks time, and then I'm going to get the car in for the NCT and it will be driven. So I will add a clip into this video once it's edited and uploaded. Because I don't want to drive the car on the road because they're very strict in Ireland with NCT. Now the car's taxed, it's insured. There's a big stupid crack in the windscreen here, I'll show you. I don't know if the camera, oh it does pick it up. You can see I'm moving the camera. There's a big, you can see it there, big crack. It goes to here. That's how big that crack is. So it comes all the way from the top here. Now it was only to here, past the black sun visor, and then a football hit it and it just kept going. So I do have a windscreen, it's bought, paid for, just waiting for it to come in and to get it fitted. So I am going to need a new visor and a new Red Baron sticker, because my brother had one of these cars 10 years ago, 12 years ago. It was called a Red Baron. It was red and then it got sprayed yellow, and then the engine is in that now. That's how long that car is going. That engine has been fully rebuilt. There's nothing wrong with it. It's bleeding great. It's never had any issue. But this is why I got the sticker, the Red Baron, made for this car, because it is red and it reminds me of his VTI Civic. It was amazing, great fun. But yeah, the windscreen will be getting fixed. The car is taxed, it's insured. I'm just waiting on a new disc, a few air fresheners. Don't forget, pick up yourself an air freshener if you like. They're on the website if you want to grab them. It's no problem at all. I never push anyone into buying stuff, so if you want to buy stuff, walk away. It's your own choice. But yeah, the Civic is done and she's looking smashing. So let's get some nice shots of the Civic. And yeah, I can't believe it's done. That's next. Get the Fiat done, and then I'm going to cancel the VTEC mini raffle. Tickets aren't selling. I know there's like 40 odd tickets gone, but I'm just going to refund everyone their money, get the brakes sorted in it, and enjoy it for a while, as well as the Civic. So I'm not rushed in selling it. I do want to do another project, but that'll have to wait. So yeah guys, for now it's peace out, and I will see you in the next one. So peace out, be dedicated, make sure you commit to your builds, and try your best. That's all you can do. Just try your best. So guys, peace out, and I will see you in the next one.